do an unboxing of the Southern Star Brewing Company 12 Days of Krampus pack. And we'll see, hopefully I can get a golden ticket as well. Right off the bat, our card collection, and we'll see if by chance I'm a winner. It looks like I am not a winner, but these cards are pretty cool as they are. I have an old ale on down the line, stout, Sati, IPA, Belgian blonde, Imperial stout. Well, let's take a look at the beers that are in here real quick. Let's flip this over. So we have day one, Krampus carton, old ale. Day two, bonfire Grotzer style beer. Day three, it's a Saison, Perchata. Day four, the Yule Log Piney IPA. Day five, Eternal Darkness Dry Stout. Day six, Rootin' Texas Sati Ale. Day seven, Nicholas Belgian Style Blonde. Day eight, the Cauldron Smoked Porter. Sounds great. Day nine, Wider Shins Holiday Wit. Day 10, Tehran Imperial Stout. Day 11, Krampus Lauf Rye Beer. And finally, day 12, Krampus Nacht Extra Special Bitter. Thanks for tuning in and watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have your own Krampus pack to sample along with their live presentation starting the day after Thanksgiving. And Dave, if you're watching, I'm really curious if the dry stout is based on my Irish stout recipe that we used for the Operation Fermentation beer this summer.